Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve questions of directions, right? So the questions are put up on the screen left and I'll be using diagrammatic representations to see how it is done. So the first question, a man is facing south. So before we start any questions of directions, we normally mark north, south, east and west. So for the first question, it says that a man is facing south. So originally he's facing south. He turns 135 in the anti-clockwise direction. Now what you have to remember is 135 degrees can be written as 90 degrees plus 45 degrees. So this is anti-clockwise direction. So from position 1, 90 plus 45. So this is the second position that he's currently facing. Then 180 degree in clockwise. Now any 180 degree motion will land in the exact opposite spot. So 180 degree anti-clockwise or clockwise will nevertheless land looking at position 3. So which direction is he facing? Now if we compare to this is the direction. So the answer to this particular question is he's facing southwest. But in case you are confused with all this, there's a very simple way of solving this, an alternate method of solving this, which I'll show. So let's assume that any clockwise motion we will take as positive, any anti-clockwise motion we will take as negative, right? So it is given 135 anti-clockwise, that is minus 135, and 180 clockwise, that is plus 180. Remember, minus means anti-clockwise, plus means clockwise. So when I add this up, I get the answer as plus 45 degrees. So starting with south, 45 degrees clockwise, right? 45 degrees clockwise. So if you start with south, 45 degrees clockwise will take you in the southwest direction. So either you can do the individual each step process, or you simply add, subtract, clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative, and whatever comes, one single motion, and the particular question is done, right? Okay, so similarly I'm going to show you the next couple of examples. Second one, so again we start with our basics: north, south, east, west. A man is facing northwest. So from the starting position, this is the first position. He turns 90 clockwise. So 90 clockwise will take you in this direction. 135 anti-clockwise. So 135 again, 90 plus 45. So 90 plus 45. So this is the third position. So which direction is he facing? Obviously he's facing west now. Using the plus minus funda, plus 90 minus 135. So effectively minus 45. So starting from northwest anti-clockwise, 145 degree will take you to west. So in a single step, we get the answer as west, right? So using this funda, again one more question, the third one. Man is facing towards west. So again north, south, east, west. From the starting position, man is facing towards west. 45 clockwise. So this is the second position. 180 clockwise. So 180 clockwise. This is the third position. Then 270 anti-clockwise. So 90 plus 90 plus 90. This is the fourth position. 270 degrees. So which direction is he facing? This is southwest. Or if I want to do the plus minus method, then 45 clockwise plus 180 clockwise, that is plus 225, then 270 anti-clockwise, so minus 45. So from the starting position, west, anti-clockwise 45, negative, simple, again the answer comes as southwest. So let's take one more example. Now all the examples that we have seen so far are talking about clockwise and anti-clockwise in multiples of 45, 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270 and so on. But what if it is given in some other measure? So in the fourth example, it says he's facing east, right? Then clockwise 100, anti-clockwise 145. So although they are not multiples of 45, the resultant is definitely a multiple of 45. Negative is anti-clockwise. So from east, negative anti-clockwise 45 degrees. So this is northeast. So as you can see, either you can use the diagrammatic method of solving it, or you can just add, subtract all positive negatives, and one single movement will give you the final answer.